of the memories you had with everyone who loved you. Now let me sing to you. Happy birthday. Now let us sing to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and true. From old friends and new. May good luck go with.
हेलो बेटा, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा अंशुल, वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। मे यू बी ब्लेस्ड विद गुड हेल्थ, प्रॉस्पेरिटी एंड हैप्पीनेस इन योर लाइफ।
दिस इज योर 32nd बर्थडे।
एंड वी विश यू ऑल द सक्सेस इन योर लाइफ। बेटा हम बहुत खुश हैं that you are married to Neha, who is a really nice, very caring and loving girl. She really takes care of us, and we wish that she joins you soon. और बच्चे आप सब खुश रहो बेटा, हमारी तो यही दुआ है।
बहुत खुश हैं बेटा कि आप दोनों भाई बहुत अच्छी तरह अपनी लाइफ में सेटल हो रहे हो। एंड आगे हम भी आपको ज्वाइन करेंगे बेटा।
बस सब खूब तरक्की करो बेटा लाइफ में, यही हमारी दुआ है, यही हमारी ब्लेसिंग्स हैं। गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा।
अगेन वी विश यू हैप्पी
हैप्पी
बर्थडे।
बर्थडे बेटा। एंजॉय योर लाइफ, खूब एंजॉय करो बेटा। दिस इज़ द टाइम व्हेन यू कैन एंजॉय। बाद में तो बस जैसे हम हैं वैसे ही हो जाओगे।
Happy birthday, Bhaiya. Wishing you all the happiness possible on your birthday this year.
Hi Bia, happy birthday. May God bless you with good health, wealth, and lots of love. May this year be the brightest year for you.
And hopefully, Bhabhi comes to Canada this year.
हाँ भाई अंशुल बेटे, तेरे जन्मदिन दी बहुत बहुत ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਣ ਤੈਨੂੰ। 32 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ। ਇਹ ਵਿਆਹ ਵੀ ਗਿਆ, ਬਾਹਰ ਵੀ ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ। ਚਲੋ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਉਮਰਾਂ ਹੋਣ ਬੇਟੇ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ। ਬਸ ਹੋਰ ਤਾਂ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ। ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ 'ਚ? ਇਕੱਲਾ ਬੈਠਾ ਹੋਇਆ? ਭਰਾ ਕੋਲ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ? ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ। ਪਰ ਅੱਛਾ, ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਲਦੀ ਜਲਦੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੰਮ ਮਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਨਾਨੀ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾ ਲੈ। ਹੋਰ ਕੀ, ਇਕੱਲੇ ਤੇ ਦਿਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਤੇਰਾ। ਅੱਛਾ ਬਈ, ਹੋਰ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ। ਯਾਦ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਛੋਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਸੀ, ਨਾਨੀ ਨਾਨੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਸੀ। ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖੋ 32 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਹੋਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੈ। 31 ਤਰੀਕ ਨੂੰ ਤੇਰੇ ਜਨਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਣ ਬੱਚੇ। ਫੁੱਲੋ ਫੁੱਲੋ ਬਸ, ਹੋਰ ਤਾਂ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ। अच्छा बेटे, बाय बाय।
Hi Anshul, hello birthday boy. Hope your birthday will be full of happiness and joy. You know, you are less like a nephew and more like a son to us. Hope you understand how much we love and adore you. As you get older, we miss how cute you were when you were little, but we are so proud of the man you are today. You have become. Look at what a grand journey of your 34 years of life has been so far, and it's going to get even better when Neha will join you in Canada. May you have a day that is as special as you are. Now at last, let me say a few lines in Hindi. दिल से हमारी दुआ है, खुश रहो तुम, मिले ना कोई गम, जहाँ भी रहो तुम, समंदर की तरह दिल है गहरा तुम्हारा, सदा खुशियों से भरा रहे दामन तुम्हारा. जन्मदिन मुबारक.
Happy birthday. God bless you.
Feliz cumpleaños.
What is that? Happy birthday.
In Spanish.
God bless.
Anshul, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. Have a great life over there. And Neha will be coming soon.
Yes. Wish you a very happy birthday, Anshul. And तुम्हारा gift हम नेहा ही भेज रहे हैं. So be happy and enjoy yourself. God bless you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Anshul.
Happy birthday, Anshul.
So एक साथ बोल देते हैं. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday to you, Anshul. God bless you. Wish you all the best in life ahead. Celebrate your birthday today with all your friends and Anu and Suruchi.
Happy birthday, beta Anshul. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. God bless you always with long, healthy, happy life and enjoy the life with all together. Wish that Neha would be also there next year with you.
And of course with us also.
Yes. We all wish to have with you and celebrate your birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. हर बार ये दिन आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, है मेरी ये आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anshul. Happy birthday to you.
मुबारका, बहुत बहुत मुबारका. हैप्पी बर्थडे
सारे वोरा परिवार और वडेरा परिवार और शर्मा परिवार,
आंटी गुआंढियां ਨੂੰ ਵੀ
ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ.
ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ.
God bless you. God bless you always, beta. You all stay blessed.
Yeah.
That's our wish. ਸਾਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਖੂਬ ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਹਿਣ और लाइफ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰਨ.
मौज करो, मौज. मस्ती, मौज मस्ती.
Neha also wish you very very happy birthday of Anshul and congratulations. भैया दीदी अनुभव सुरुचि सब ਨੂੰ बहुत बहुत मुबारक.
God bless you all.
सारा परिवार बहुत खुश रहे, मिल के रहे. That's our wish. Okay बेटा.
Beta, how are you? Hope you are fine. I hope you are enjoying your stay in Canada. Although you must be missing Mummy, Papa and Neha, but you have the company of Anu and Suruchi. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, beta. Hope you have settled there and you are in new job by the time this reaches you. Hope you and Neha join together very shortly. Everything is fine. We are fine here. Happy and enjoying our stay in Gurgaon. We wish you get a good job keep a good health, and I hope you remember the days spent with us here in Gurgaon. We really miss you. We really wish you and Neha come again and be with us for some time.
And enjoy your life.
And we enjoy together. Okay, beta. All the best. Wish you all the best.
खूब खुश रहो बेटा, खूब
बार बार दिन ये आई, बार बार दिल ये गाए, अब जियो
हजारों साल
यही है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे जीजू, हैप्पी बर्थडे जीजू, हैप्पी बर्थडे जीजू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
अंशुल बेटा, आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। मैं भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि ये दिन आपकी लाइफ में बार बार आता रहे और आप इस दिन की खुशियाँ मनाते रहो, धूमधाम से ही मनाते रहो। और मैं वीना जी और अश्विनी जी को भी आपके जन्मदिन पर बधाई देती हूँ।
हाय जीजू, हैप्पी बर्थडे, विश यू मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। बहुत सारा मज़ा करना, अच्छे से अपना बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करना, अनुभव भैया और सुरुचि भाभी के साथ अच्छी सी पार्टी करना। ओके जीजू, बाय, एंजॉय योर डे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे अंशुल बेटा, मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। गॉड ब्लेस यू, खूब खुश रहो, तरक्की करो, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा, खुश रहो खूब और जल्दी से नेहा को अपनी शादी।
हेलो अंशुल बेटा, विश यू मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे बेटा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा।
खुश रहो बच्चे, दोनों बहुत सारी खुशियां मिले तुम दोनों को। हमारे पास शब्द नहीं है बेटा कहने के लिए,
बट फीलिंग्स है बस।
हाँ, बहुत सारी फीलिंग्स है बेटा, जहाँ भी हो।
बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स दोनों। नेहा, अंशुल बेटा बहुत खुश रहो।
खुश रहो बेटा।
Hi Anshul, wish you very happy birthday beta. May God bless you. It's long since I have talked to you. May this birthday will be very special to you and the whole year, and so the whole year. Bless you beta. Hope to see you soon. God bless you. Take care.
Hi Anshul, how are you? Hope doing well. और कैसा है? So your first birthday is approaching of your marriage. Many happy returns of the day and congratulations to you both. अनुसूची कैसे हैं? उन्हें भी मेरा प्यार देना। आप सबके बर्थडे अब मेमोरीज रह गई हैं। बर्थडेज आते थे सबके तो कितना एंजॉय करते थे हम लोग, वेट करते थे किसका बर्थडे कब आ रहा है, कितने महीने रह गए, कितने दिन रह गए। All the golden days are gone now. Anyways, I will call you on your birthday and enjoy your day. Take care. We are missing you. Bye.
Hello Anshul, wish you a very happy birthday, dear Anshul.
Hi Anshul, wish you a very happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Anshul. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you dear Anshul. Very happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day, and wish you all the happiness, prosperity and good health. Bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care.
Hi, good evening Anshul. Wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with all happiness and love, and I wish you the best and only the best. And you're so lucky that you have Neha as your life partner. God has made you both for each other, and I wish you both a happy married life till eternity. Okay, so this is going to be special. So, since you're not here with us, we all are missing you. And I remember how we used to celebrate each other's birthdays and other occasions when we were very small and we were living together in Narayana. And those days were so magical. And I still get goosebumps when I think about our lovely times, occasions that we all brothers and sisters have spent together. And so I hope and wish that you and Neha get to celebrate each and every occasion together with love and with so much laughter that you just, you know, it just gets captured in your brain memory forever. And I hope everything is good at your end and you're keeping safe. And I'm sure that Neha will join you soon, and I will be seeing you on the other side, or maybe you both will be seeing me from there. I think next year onwards. So I'm really hoping the best for you both. And Anshul, you were, you are, and you will remain, you and Anubhav, in fact, both of you will remain the sweetest brothers, little brothers that I used to play with, I used to fight with, I used to we just used to play around. I remember the time when I used to come and pick you up from the bus stand, from the school bus stand, school bus stop, and I just had a very different yet wonderful experience seeing you grow up. And so I've seen you growing, literally. So yes, I wish my little brother a very happy birthday, and I wish that God showers His blessings upon you and Neha a lot, and every time, every single minute, every single moment. So here I am on behalf of my entire family, wishing you a very happy birthday, and we love you a lot, we miss you a lot, and I hope to see you soon. So take care, Anshu. Bye bye. Take care. Lots of love. Take care. And here's a special wish coming across. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anshu. Happy birthday to you. बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, है मेरी ये आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Anshul. Lots of love and hugs. Hey, Mamu.
Happy Mamu.
Hi, Mamu.
Hi, Mamu.
Happy Mamu.
Happy Mamu.
Happy Mommy.
Happy Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mamu. Happy to you, Mamu.
No.
Say happy to you, Mamu. Happy to you. Say happy to you. Last time. Say happy to you.
No.
Okay, say bye, Mamu.
Bye, Mamu.
Wave your hand.
Bye,
bye, Mamu.
Mamu.
Bye, Mommy. Hey, Anshul. Wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with loads of love and happiness, and may you get everything that you deserve in life. Here are some wishes pouring in from Sameer.
Hey, happy birthday, Anshul. मुझे इतना ही आता है।
Alright, बाकी की कमी मैं पूरी कर देती हूँ. So have fun, enjoy, and I'm sure Neha will join you soon there. And next birthday will be celebrated with her. So enjoy, have fun, bye bye. Take care.
Hey, hi Anshul, hi Neha. Wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. जल्दी से नेहा आपके पास आए और बहुत सारी खुशियाँ आपको मिले. God bless you बेटा. God bless you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल है मेरी ये आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Anshul, happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy birthday. आपकी सारी ख्वाहिश पूरी हो. मेरे बच्चे भी आपको कुछ कहना चाहते हैं. सी
हेलो मास्टर जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे मास्टर जी.
बाय.
Hello Anshul.
हेलो अंशुल.
Many happy returns of the day. Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Enjoy your day.
Stay blessed.
God
have
bless
fun.
you.
I hope we meet soon.
Happy birthday मास्टर जी. May God bless you. Party hard.
Were you expecting me in this video? I hope so. Happy birthday, bro. I wish you nothing but success and happiness in the coming year. God bless you. Cheers. This wish is from me and Risha. Risha is not feeling well. We'll talk more about that when you call me. This whole thing is being organized by your wonderful wife, and yeah. As usual, I was late sending her this video. You know. Bye. Chal, take care. Have fun.
Hello Jiju, Sat Shri Akal. Many happy returns of the day. May God show her His choices, blessings, lot of love, happiness, prosperity all around you. You have indeed brought lots of happiness into my friend's life, and for that, may you always be blessed. हम पर्सनली तो नहीं मिले हैं, वो भी मिल लेंगे, पर जितना भी हमने बात की है, I feel you are a gem like a person. नेहू आपसे मिलके बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हुई है. आप उसकी लाइफ में आए हो, इतनी खुशियाँ दी हैं आपने उसे. सो थैंक यू फॉर ऑल दैट यू डू फॉर हर. आप हमेशा खुश रहें. गॉड आपको जितना भी दे वो कम है. आप उसे हमेशा खुश रखें. एंड हम जल्दी रूबरू होंगे. हैप्पी बर्थडे फ्रॉम मी एंड गगन. लॉट्स ऑफ लव फ्रॉम माई साइड.
Wish you very happy birthday. May God bless you with lot of success and prosperity in your life. From where should I start? I remember the day when we both met, and how you have just filled my life with love and positivity, and we decided to spend our life together. That day was the luckiest day for my life, and I'm thankful to God that I have you as my life partner, my soulmate, my best friend. I really feel blessed to have you as my life partner. On the top of all, I want to thank you to Mama and Papa, जिनकी वजह से आप मुझे मिले हो, क्योंकि अगर वो ना होते, जो ये सारी खूबियाँ आप में हैं, वो ना होती. I am thankful to God to have them in my life. They are so loving and caring. Although I know that I am not there with you on your birthday, but we know very well when hearts are connected, then distance doesn't matter. So today is your day and enjoy it to the fullest. Yes, wish you very happy birthday once again. Love you. Bye.
I wanna sing happy songs, and And I just wanna say to you, happy birthday, darling. You're my God's precious blessing. I promise you to be with you for the rest of my life. I wish for you love and happiness, with my heart filled with gladness. I wanna wish you happy birthday. I wanna sing happy songs, and I just wanna say